is Match Girl and this is Ghost. Today we are going to learn about satellite images. So, what is satellite images? Well, satellite images is a type of photograph used by geographers. They are also called remote sensing images. They are created from data collected by satellites that orbit the Earth from a distance up to 1,000 kilometers above the surface. Satellite-based sensors measure and record electromagnetic radiation. The data is then changed into a digital form and transmitted to ground stations, where they are converted by computers into an image that resembles a photograph. It has been an important tool used by geographers since the 1960s. Why are they so important and great? Satellite images are so great because they have many advantages which outweigh their disadvantages. The advantages are that they are accurate, cover a vast area and are inexpensive, while the only disadvantage is that it is time-consuming. They are accurate because satellite images help the weather forecast to be more accurate and functional than it was many years ago, as the satellite has obtained detailed information which was not available before. The weather forecast can give the public a more accurate image of what the weather will be like in the next week, day or hour. It can also show a large area, which can represent tens of kilometers in a single centimeter, while oblique and aerial photographs can only represent a few hundred meters above the ground and less information. It is also cheaper than aerial photos or field surveys. Disadvantage is that it is time-consuming, since it takes a long time to process large pictures using a high resolution. I heard that there are different types of satellites and satellite images. What are they?
Well, the different types of satellites are Landsat, Spot, NOAA, and Meteosat. As for the different types of imagery, the most common ones are visible imagery, infrared imagery, and water vapor imagery. Visible imagery is useful for looking at cloud patterns, storm systems, and monitoring snow cover. Infrared imagery is useful for distinguishing higher clouds from lower ones, observing storms, and distinguishing clouds from snow cover. Water vapor imagery shows the altitude of the highest moist layer in the atmosphere. The visible and infrared imagery is also used by geographers for inspecting the land.
Because it's so great and wonderful, how do you read them? Well, in visible satellite imagery, high reflectance objects are white, like snow and clouds, and low reflectance objects, such as the Earth's surface and air, are black or dark grey. And in infrared imagery, warmer high-intensity emissions are dark grey or black, and low-intensity or cold emissions are white. Well, are you gonna show me how to do it?
Here is a table of Landsat color interpretation guide. In this example, the middle area is blue and pink, which means the area is filled with early growth in crops and grasslands, suburban trees, lawn parks, houses, urban areas, river floodplains, and concrete. The area surrounding this is dark green with specks of light green. This represents the area is forest and scrub with bits of moist cloud fields, crop stubble and poor grazing land. On the side and lying throughout the middle of the land, it is dark blue and black, meaning it is deep clear waters such as oceans and rivers.
So, do you understand now?